If you're also getting this error while upgrading your Windows operating system to the higher version, then you have to look these steps carefully to resolve this particular issue. Open the File Explorer with the help of Windows key plus E on your keyboard and then go to this PC. Open local disk C drive, go to Windows folder and then look for software distribution folder. See, here is the software distribution folder. Double click on it to open, and then double click on download folder to open the download folder, and then whatever files you see or folders you see in the download folder, select all with the help of Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, and then use Shift plus Delete key on your keyboard to delete all of them. Click yes, and then it will ask you for a permission, then click on continue. Now you can go to command prompt, type cmd in the search box and then right click on the command prompt and open it with run as administrator. Once you open the command prompt with administrator, you have to type one simple command, that is wuauclt.exe space /update now. Hit enter. Here nothing will happen, but at the back end it will try to communicate to the update server to get some of the updates. Now close this window, check if your issue resolves or not. If issue doesn't resolve, then in the search box again type internet options. So this is the internet options. Open it, and once you open it, click on advanced tab. Once you open advanced tab, scroll down and check TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1. Enable these options and then click on apply, click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can check if the issue resolved or not. So these are the two to three troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this particular issue.